What's up, guys? My name is Austin Wayne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so today's video is all about Tinder optimization to maximize your matches, and not just that guys, to maximize your dates and actually secure the end result that you are actually seeking, okay? Now, before anything else guys, I am against dating apps. I personally do not use dating apps. I downloaded Tinder just for an experiment for this video, okay? But let's say guys, you want to have your promiscuous phase. Like guys, you put value into yourself and you are now a high value man, and now you want to become promiscuous, get some experience underneath your belt. Obviously, Tinder is going to be a very good cheat code to do this. It's going to make it 100 times easier, guys. But I'm going to be honest, guys. Men in the online dating realm, we are at a huge disadvantage. They've done studies, guys, and pretty much only 20% of the guys on these dating apps are actually getting women. So this means that 80% of you guys are not getting any matches whatsoever. So obviously guys, if you have not put any work into yourself, this can completely shatter your confidence. But if you already have confidence, you know that women like you, and you're just trying to maximize your results on this dating app to become promiscuous, this video will help you. But if you are not there yet guys, I recommend watching my other videos to become the best version of yourself. To increase your fashion game guys, to looks max to the fullest, to get that chiseled jawline, get those abs, all of it, that'll help increase your matches on Tinder. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video. First of all guys, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you smash that subscribe button. I'm building an amazing community on this channel. Also guys, follow me on Instagram at AusWayne with 2 S's. I post some really fire content on that platform as well. So let's go. Okay guys, so obviously the biggest thing in Tinder is going to be your photos. So if you do not have good photos guys, you're not going to get any matches. So we want them to actually swipe right on you. So it all starts with the photos themselves. So I'm going to play this as I'm actually doing it guys. So I have up my Tinder that I just created this weekend. By the way, I got over 100 likes within 12 hours. 100 likes in 12 hours, and then I'm currently at like 70 matches just for fun, okay? I'm gonna delete it soon. But here we go, guys. So right now, the very first photo that you are seeing on screen is me somewhere adventurous. Like I'm in the water, you can see my six-pack abs, like pretty much. You want to be somewhere outdoors, guys. You want to look sexy. You want to look as good as possible. And you want to look like you're going outside and doing things, guys. Whether this is going out in nature, whether it's just somewhere really cool, guys. You want to look like you actually have a life. So this is obviously going to be the first way that she's actually going to have interest in you. Okay, guys, next up, we have me and a friend just looking swole in the gym. So you always want to have at least 1 or 2 friends. And guys, you want to make it obvious who is actually who. So obviously, like you can tell, it's me, and I'm very tall. So I'm using this to my advantage, guys. So I'm using my shorter friend to make myself look a little bit taller on my Tinder profile. Next up is just a photo of me smiling, looking happy. It's always good to just have a smiling photos, guys, just because you don't want to be taken too seriously on this platform as well. Okay, next up, this is a POV of me actually on a date. So if you've ever had like a girlfriend, anything like that, and she just takes like a cute photo of you on a date, this is actually going to be really good for the Tinder guys, because then it's more so like POV, like you're on a date with me, you know, like they can actually see it from their perspective. And then the last photo is once again me somewhere just looking shredded with the six-pack, somewhere adventurous. So pretty much 3 things, guys. 1, abs, most important thing. 2, friends. And 3, it's going to be adventurous. So you are selling them this dream that you are just this shredded, just Greek god who has all these friends and you go to really cool places. That's kind of like the best way to sell the dream. We're not going for dad bod on the Tinder. We're going for just the guy that the woman actually wants to be with. We're going for the Chad, you know, like that's what we're going for on this Tinder app. And this is, not to sound cocky, but this typically gets more likes and just swipes than most other people. Next up, guys, we have the bio itself, okay? Now, this is going to be your biggest asset. So your bio, you want to keep it short. You want to keep it super, super mysterious. Don't have an entire list like, oh, I'm this man, I'm so nice, I'm so sweet, I'm looking for the woman of my dreams. Please do not do this, guys. We're going for mysterious. We're looking for bad. We're kind of that more so vibe, okay? My bio, I literally just say that I'm 6'5". So whatever your best strong suit is, put that in your bio. So best strong suit in terms of someone who actually wants to sleep with you. So six-pack, you don't need to put that you have a six-pack in your bio, obviously. Maybe you have a very good job. Maybe you're self-employed. Put that in your bio. Like, I'm a business owner. Just put that. 6'2", business owner. That's it. Keep it simple. I don't even have my real name on my Tinder. You can do this if you want to, because once your name is actually attached to it, they're going to find your Instagram and then they're going to stalk you. So once they stalk you guys, the mystery is pretty much dead. So that's why I just have A for Austin on my Tinder, because I don't want them searching up on Instagram Austin, and then they can see everything I've been doing for like the past 5 years. Like, they can see my exes, like they can see my stories. Like, it takes all of the mystery actually away from this dating app. Okay guys, and step 3 is obviously going to be the talking and securing the date. So obviously the biggest rule is to not be a simp. As usual, never be a simp, guys. So we're not going to compliment her. Don't say, oh, you look so pretty. You're like the most gorgeous girl I've ever seen. That's actually the worst thing that you can do. Don't compliment her, guys. She's looking for these affirmations, guys. Most of these women on this app are actually just on this app just to get attention from men. They're not actually looking to go on dates. So they're going to use you for your attention and then ghost you. So if you do not actually give them this attention, guys, you'll have a much higher chance of actually securing a date. So actually get to know them. Ask questions about them. Don't make it boring. Don't say hey. Never start off with hey. Find something in their photo, guys. Find something in their bio to start a conversation off of. And then make it to where you are always talking about them. And then I'd say within 10 to 20 messages, try to go out on a date. Coffee, in my opinion, is the best first date. It's very low investment. You're just paying a couple bucks for someone else's coffee. And if you don't like them, you never have to see them again. Rather than going on this huge ordeal of a date, picking them up, getting them flowers, taking them to movies, taking them to dinner, spending $100, $200, $300 just for this date. And then you might not even like the girl, you know, like, so that's my opinion, guys. Go on a coffee date, get to know her. If you're somewhere where you can go on an adventure, maybe suggest going on an adventure. But even here in Bali, guys, I don't even do that unless I like the girl to begin with. Okay, guys, so probably the biggest asset in 2021 is how cowardly men actually are. So modern men, guys, do not go and approach women. They're on all of these dating apps just hoping to actually get a girlfriend, get a woman from this. Which, don't look for your girlfriend, guys. Don't look for your wife on a dating app. That's the worst thing that you can do. You need to get good at actually approaching women in public. So that means if she gives you the cues to approach her, she's checking you out, something like this, you need to go have the balls to go approach her, because no other man in this modern age, guys, is doing it. So the second you do that, oh my gosh, you're the guy that she wants too. Like, you're the Chad, you're the high value guy that she actually wants. You will be so successful. That is a billion times more powerful, guys, than a message on Tinder. Obviously, Tinder is going to make it more effortless to be promiscuous, which is what this video is going to help you do. But if you want a girlfriend, if you want a wife, or if you want a really just intense connection too, best to always just go up in person, man. That is going to be the best way to do it. Like, it doesn't have to be anything in particular. Like, you can just go up, say like, hey, like, I like your vibe. Like, are you on Instagram? Like, something like that. Like, would you want to get coffee sometimes? Like, you don't even have to have anything crazy of a conversation. The biggest thing is just to say something. You know, like in texting, like in the texting room, guys, if you just say, hey, that's a no-no. But if you go up in person and just say, hey, like, that's fine. As long as you say something, that's what matters. And then you get the conversation rolling from there. So guys, this will be your biggest asset in 2021. You need to become high value, and then you need to learn how to actually approach women for best results, best success, and then obviously going where women actually are as well. All right, guys, so obviously I'm an online personal trainer. I have my own online personal training business, and I've helped hundreds of men actually create really chiseled aesthetic physiques. So if anybody watching this, guys, needs help creating their physique of a Greek god, hit the link in the description box for your free one-on-one consultation with me. And that's it for the video, guys. Once again, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. Growing an awesome community. Also, guys, like this video to push it out into the YouTube algorithm. And that is it. I love each and every one of you guys. Peace.